Last December, I was in Denmark. When walking from my dorm to the university, it started to rain and snow. It was a bit foggy, making it difficult to see distant objects. At that moment, I realized if I cannot see clearly, then a driver on the road cannot either. This creates a serious safety hazard that need to be addressed. Vision-based systems such as drones, security cameras, and autonomous vehicles also struggle in this condition. As a result, their performance degrades, leading to potential safety risks. To mitigate this issue, we need a multimodal system that can analyze video frames in real time. It needs to detect environmental degradation and determine which enhancement tools are required to handle them. With its powerful multimodal reasoning capability, Gemma 4 E2B is well suited for this task. Its advanced reasoning and its optimized design make it practical for real-world deployment. Using Gemma, we develop an agentic system called WeatherProof. On the left, you can see the training phase, and on the right, the inference phase. During training, we use dataset for snow, rain, and fog removal. An attention unit model is trained on this dataset, and the learned weights are saved. For the low light condition, we use a state-of-the-art pre-trained model CIDNet. In inference phase, each video frame is passed to Gemma. Gemma identifies the type of degradation, and based on this, the appropriate enhancement model is selected. And the final output is an enhanced degradation-free video frame. To reduce unnecessary call to Gemma, we adopt an efficient strategy. After the first frame, Gemma is only triggered when there is a significant change between consecutive frames. Additionally, for reliability, it is invoked every 10 seconds. Here you can see a comparison between the original and enhanced video captured in Denmark. To further demonstrate the effectiveness of WeatherProof, we present additional scenarios. On the left, you can see results for low light and rain, and on the right for rain and fog. With the multimodal reasoning and AS-optimized design of Gemma, WeatherProof enables reliable vision anywhere, anytime. Thank you.